problem, we're going to determine, is the given function even, odd, or neither? So there is a test that we need to check for even. There's a test for odd. If it doesn't fit either one of those, then it's a neither case. So the test for even is right over here. It says if we find f of negative x, is that equal to f of x? This is our f of x. That does represent the right-hand side over here for the even test. So we need to say, is this equal to the same thing that I would get if I plugged in negative x for x? All right, so we're going to compare, is this top one going to be equal to this bottom one that I do here? So for every x, we're just going to plug in a negative x, simplify it, and see if we get the same thing or not. So this x here is now going to be a negative x raised to the third. Drop down the minus sign. This x over here is going to be another negative x raised to the second. Simplify these to see what we get. So let's see. Negative x times negative x times negative x, right? Multiply times itself 3 times is still a negative x cubed. Minus, drop down the minus, negative x times negative x is a positive x squared. So this is what we would get here when we plug in negative x. So then, it's even if this equals this. If f of negative x equals f of x. Now, these are not the same thing, all right? We have a positive x cubed here. We have a negative x cubed here. That does not work. This is not an even function. Now, we still need to test to see if it is an odd function. The test for odd function says, is f of negative x, which we have here. We already figured that out. We don't need to find f of negative x again. Does this then equal negative f of x? Okay, negative f of x, we are taking the opposite of the entire equation. So negative f of x, put a negative in front of the entire equation. X cubed minus x squared. Distribute this minus here. So if I distribute the minus, I get a negative x cubed plus x squared. Now compare that to f of negative x. Are these the same? Well, we get a negative x cubed, but this is negative x squared, this is positive x squared, which means it does not meet the criteria for it being odd, which means this is a neither case.